Okay, YouTubers, just to show you on our commode repair here, we moved the bad valve that was on the supply line to the commode, and I will show you here. Let me pan over to what we were dealing with. This was the valve, and this was circa, get it in focus here, 1995, okay? Well, what they did was they did have a reinforcing band, compression band on the supply line, okay? Even though it has a, it's not a complete circle, which still leaves an area to leak. They did have this compression fitting on there on the one end that would be on your copper side, okay? Got that. And I think that was good practice, you know, putting this extra feature to hold the line. But the bad part is, and you can see here, this gush that looks like it's coming out of the side of the valve. What it is, it's the plastic stem, which the inside of this valve is all plastic. As you can see that gush in there, that pile of gook in there. That's when I heated this fixture up to unsweat it because it was sweat on. Also, it heated the fitting and the plastic melted, which also created like a nice poisonous cloud in the bathroom for me. But, you know, this is something, to me, the use of plastic, you really got to watch this because, as you'll see in a later video, I'll show you the plastic supply line that caused the flooding of my home. But this is also another thing that was connected to that supply line that was inferior, this plastic in this valve. Now here's the new valve you get. And this is, you can get this at Home Depot or Lowe's, you know, Ace Hardware, most supply stores. Shark Bite they just make a better product. And it doesn't cost that much more. It cost me like $7 for this. It's sweat on. As you can see here, they got it all nice and pre-cleaned. And they got a gate valve in here, and I'll turn it so you can see. Give me a second here to turn it. It's a quarter turn gate valve. And there it's turned. It's like a ball gate valve. It's made all out of metal. So if you sweat this on or you go to heat this up again, the center of this valve won't melt on you. I mean, what a bad design that was to have something like this, because in the case of having to heat it up, you end up melting it. And in the case here, this happened to be sweat on and a compression fitting, and to heat it up, it's gone. Another thing is the actual handle here, which is supposed to be hand tightened. When I put a pair of channel locks to try to twist it because it wouldn't turn, it broke it further. So you get this, yeah, it's made in USA, Brasscraft, but Brasscraft was fooling somebody when they made this. This is no excuse saying you're made in the USA. Basically, what you need to be doing is you need to be making quality stuff, because people are going to have to keep fixing and fixing over and over again, and this is not good for your average homeowner. Anyways, that's my rant, but I just wanted to share that with you so, you know, y'all are protected, and instead of having your house flooded in some of these problems that some of us are having. You know, so anyways, a word of the wise, and, you know, I hope your home improvement experiences are positive and going well. So please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be sharing more videos with you in the future, and I'll sub back. Thank you so much.